issue of
kurumirira muhuhu wa ati mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ari mubango-ini wa kuingira thirikari-ini riu ni eyumiritie na guteaniria riboti iyo akiuga guthie na mbere na mito yake ya guthondeka ngwataniro ya giuteti ya gutigirira Ruto ni one term president githurano-ini gia 2027
Finance Bill 2025.
Kalonzo akinyiriria ati we ndanginyitanira na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza amukou ni guthigana a Kenya.
Not this government. This one we have to take home. Tena mapema sana. Oh, the commitment is amazing. And we are doing it with the Kenyan people. Kumbuka hashtag Ruto must go. Hiyo ndio hashtag. Sasa niungane na watu wanaenda nyumbani. Hapana, sio mimi.
Ihinda-ini riu ni oritie Kenya gweterera kumbwo kwa ngwataniro nene ya giuteti iria ikurehe mugaruruku akiuga we angithurwo ta president akamba kurungiriria ruhonge rwa githomo na kuheana mathomo matari marihi ngathi-ini ciothe.
Free education should be taken a notch higher. Whether or not it will be my executive order number 2, will await the input of the professionals, Catherine Juma. But we can do free primary education, free secondary education in our public schools, and even free university education. If we stop the stealing, there will be free university education.
No moriti ya Kenya kumulika na kinyi mendekithia ma budget ya mwaka wa 2025-2026 na kuregana na mwagikorwo matirarumbuia mabataro ma muingi.
Kila kuchao ni ufisadi, lazima jambo hili likomeshwe na wenye nia safi, uwezo wako na wanajulikana. Kwa hivyo ngojee muundo mpya wa upinzani, alafu zote tushikamane, tuseme jamaa waende nyumbani. Kwanza watakuwa one term.
Kalonzo ningi ni okirire thirikari ni kwenda kuhinga tunua twa atongoria aria marang'ethanira nayo na njira ya kumanyamaria.
What I have a problem with is policies and the people he has put in office. Therefore, I choose to stand with the people.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Njau ya Kinuthia.